Today we're going to talk about how I make sure my garden is weed free without using pesticides. So this is my secret for organic weed control. Pretty simple. I prep the beds ahead of time, either in the middle of winter if we're having a dry winter, or ideally if I'm on the ball in the fall. Then I tarp it over, okay? Then as I plant, for example, I got spinach planted, and this weekend I'm going to plant some more spinach. I just roll the tarp up, and if you look underneath, you got perfect weed kill. And if anything, I have to do just very light cultivation. Secret with this is once you have the tarp weed kill, you can't be working the soil anymore. You got to have it right, and then when you pull it up, plant right in it without tilling up any weed seeds, right? And then you get pretty much weed free. Since this is the first year, I will be after I untarp it, just to get any last weed seeds, I'll be running over it before I seed with a, this is a flame weeder. I think this is the Red Dragon. I'll put a link to it, but you just turn it on with the standard Blue Rhino propane tank. It's like 15 bucks to refill. Use the little snapper thing to light it, and then you flame right over the surface of the soil, moving fairly quickly, and it flames any of the baby weeds that for whatever reason weren't caught by the tarp. The way the tarp works is it makes it warm early in the season because it's black. The seeds think it's springtime, they start to come up, but because they're under the tarp, they get killed. You got to leave it on for 6-8 weeks to get a good kill. So I'll be flaming this because this has only been on 6-8 weeks, but when I pull off the rest of the garden that has been on longer, I won't need to flame that. I can just plant straight on it. So that's the secret. Control the weeds with the tarps. Do it ahead of time, let it sit, tarp it over, pull it off and plant, okay?